Today I want to teach you to make a simple recipe. It takes less than 5 minutes. May take you a little bit of time to get the ingredients together, but once you get the ingredients, you can make it in less than 5 minutes. This is great for senior citizens. I make it for my mom. I make it for a lot of people in my family. It's great for people across ages. Of course, if you have a child, I can't advise you on that depending on your child's medical conditions, etc. So please keep your doctor in the loop. We're going to take about 4 tablespoons of black sesame seeds. We're going to take 4 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. And we're going to take 2 tablespoons of garden cress seeds, also known as Halim seeds. And optional, but I strongly suggest you do it. You can add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Now, you're going to take a pan, no oil. And each of these seeds separately, you can mix the black sesame and the white sesame seeds. And you're going to heat it on a hot pan for less than a minute. So probably just about 50 to 55 seconds. You don't want it popping, you don't want it roasting. You just want to give it that little dry heat roast for less than a minute. Then you're going to put that aside and you're going to take the garden cress seeds and you're going to do the same thing for less than a minute. And then the pumpkin seeds, just for 20 seconds. On the same hot pan, you're going to give it a light roast, no oil, for 20 seconds. All right, now you're going to have all of this together, let it cool down, and then you put it in a dry mixer and you make it into a powder. My strong suggestion is to start off with 1 teaspoon for 2 to 3 days. Everything's fine, great, because there's a lot of fiber in it. And then you move to 1 tablespoon. Everything's great. Depending on your goals, you can move to 2 tablespoons a day. Now, how do you have it? Please don't have it plain. It tastes disgusting. And it's gonna clump up in your mouth and it can create swallowing problems, so don't do that, all right? You can add it to your dal, your lentils, you can just sprinkle it. It's got a nice nutty flavor. Why are we making this? Number 1, strong bones. Number 2, low iron levels and low ferritin levels. These are very, very common across ages. Number 3, most people don't hit their fiber requirement in a day. Number 4, low energy levels. Number 5, small bits of omega. This is not an omega supplement, but it's got a pretty decent amount of omega, especially when you compound it consistently. And the dosage could be 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons a day.